guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account, making the sign-up process simple and easy to follow. Let's start step by step. First of all, download the Discord app from the App Store or Play Store. After the app is downloaded successfully, tap on the Discord icon to open it. Wait for the welcome screen to load completely. Once the app opens, you'll see two options: register and log in. Since we're creating a new account, tap on register. This option is used for making a brand new Discord account. Now, Discord will ask you to enter your phone number or email address. You can choose either option depending on what you prefer. In this case, I'm selecting the phone number option. After selecting phone number, enter your active mobile number carefully. Once done, tap on Next to continue the registration process. Make sure the number is correct before moving ahead. Now tap on Continue to proceed further. Discord will ask you to confirm that you're human. Complete the verification to move to the final step. After successful verification, your Discord account is created instantly. You'll be logged into your new account automatically. And just like that, your Discord account is ready to use. So that's how you can easily create a Discord account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Also, comment below if you want more easy app tutorials. See you in the next video.